Okay, so at my grandparents' house, my aunt and uncle are there too. I'm gonna spray their horn as loud as I can. Then I will head over to a nice area. Then what in the? Oh, okay. I thought their house was on fire. Okay, so yeah. Okay, here I go. Okay, run. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, see you then. I just biked up a big hill. Well, no, I didn't. My bike kind of. The bike chain's always falling off. But and then when I'm biking down, I'll do the same thing. But when I'm biking, see ya.
Wait, he needs to record me.
Okay, guys. So now I'm back home finally. It's freezing out. Now I'll be bouncing on the trampoline while blasting their horn. Oh shoot, my neighbor might. Okay, guys. So I forgot that all of my neighbors basically have dogs, so they got pretty annoyed. The neighbors didn't, the dogs did. And as always, see you and pull pranks. Bye.